Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about Red Hat company. Okay, fresher as well as experienced job openings. That too mainly for fresher as well as an experienced candidate. Okay, you may be the fresher having 0 years of experience, 1 month, 6 months, 10 months of experience, or if you're an experienced candidate having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years of experience can also apply. Okay, if you are having good skills in the section of AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, okay, and if you are very good at DevOps, not a problem, or Linux, okay, you can apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you. So I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end because I have tried to cover both the job openings for you guys. So please, I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end and get benefit from this. Okay, so now let's get into the job section. Here, as I've already opened the Red Hat company portal, as you can see this, okay. So here they are mainly hiring for the position of software quality engineer. The position they are hiring is software quality engineer. By looking at this position, don't think that this is not for US. Okay, it's completely for you guys only, guys. The position name is software engineer. Okay, remember this point. If you read the job description or the roles and responsibilities, you are going to get complete idea for whom this job is. Okay, so the position is software quality engineer and the location is Pune. As you can see here, they have just updated the job openings just 1 week before. Okay, I'm not going to read about the roles and responsibility. Here they have mentioned what you are going to do when you join the company. I will be completely avoiding. I'll be reading only the skills section, which is most important. Okay, we'll directly read what you will bring. Solid skills and background Linux. Okay, you should be having very strong skills on Red Hat. Okay, first one. Next is CentOS and Debian. These three are very important. You should be having strong knowledge on this. Remember this. Next is expert in Bash or a Python scripting, and you should be knowing the scripting, or it may be the Python. It's your choice. You should, if you're good at least one scripting knowledge. Okay, scripting knowledge is very mandatory, guys. I'm telling you. If you're a DevOps engineer, AWS cloud engineer, if you're going for on the DevOps or SRE positions, scripting is very mandatory. Please learn. Okay, freshers. Strong problem solving and communication skills. We should be having very good communication skills. Fault finding, analysis, and logging of information of reporting of performance expectations. Okay, exceptions. Okay, so here they have mentioned you should be good at fault finding and you should be knowing the root cause analysis. You should be able to find the root cause analysis of the problem. And they also mentioned good to have the certification in RHCSA, RHCT, RHC. So if you are having certificates in Red Hat, okay, that is very good. You are highly preferred for this job. Freshers, this job is completely for you guys. As you can see here, they haven't mentioned any experience. This is completely for the fresher. You may be the Linux, okay, you may be from the DevOps, you may be from the cloud background, you may be from the SRE background. You can apply to this job opening. Okay, so this was the fresher job openings which I wanted to show you for today. So here the second job opportunity is also from the Red Hat company only. Okay, here I already opened the portal also. Look at the position, senior software maintenance engineer. By looking at this profile name, please don't get confused. It is also for the software engineer only. So requesting everyone, please read the job description, skill section before apply to the job opening. You will get an idea. Okay. So the job location is Pune, and as you can see, they have updated the job opportunities just 2 weeks before. So let's directly get into the skills or requirement section. Here what you will bring: outstanding debugging, troubleshooting, analytical skills. You should be very good at debugging, troubleshooting as well as analytical skills. Okay, and you should have at least 3 years of experience, 3+ years of experience in the software engineering field or quality engineering. Clearly mentioned. Okay, software engineering or quality engineering, bachelor degree in computer science related engineering field or relevant professional experience. You should be having degree. That is very important. Degree is mandatory for the software jobs, so it's very important. And you should, that degree, if it is in computer science or in any related engineering field, that is also fine. Experience committing code at scale on complex source control structures. You should be having experience that too mainly in the committing the code at a scale on a complex source control. Okay, and familiarity with scripting using Python and Bash. You should be very good at least one scripting knowledge. Okay, it may be Python or it may be the Bash. It's your choice. And you should be having experience on the software developing using C. You should be having knowledge on C language. Ability to remain patient, delicate when working on a detailed task. You should be very patient and you should be very delicate while working. Okay, and they have also mentioned about the multitasking skills also, and they also mentioned about the fluent work written as well as a communication skill. So these are the basics. And here, if you are having experience, right, so they have mentioned the clear cut experience what they're expecting from you. As you can see, solid skills in background like Linux kernel building. If you are having experience, okay, that too mainly in the Linux kernel building or in the development or in the testing section, that is highly preferable. Okay, that is the first thing. Solid skills and background user space building, development, testing. Here you should be having a very good skill. That is mainly in the user space building, development as well as the testing section. Experience with software test planning, test case design, test script automation and documentation. Here one more thing is you should be having very good hands-on experience or a working experience on the software test planning and test cases designing as well as a test script automation. And you should be able to write the documentation. Experience with cloud computing, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and you should be knowing at least one cloud computing or a cloud provider. You may be any choice, AWS or Azure, and you should be having very good hands-on experience on the GitLab, Git contributor and maintainer roles. Experience with CV systems related solutions delivery process. Okay, so how they have mentioned so many things for the experienced candidate. So before applying to this job, please try to mention the skills. If you are very relevant to the skills, if you are very good at skills, please try to mention the keywords and apply to the job openings. Then only your resume is going to get shortlisted. Otherwise, you are not going to get shortlisted. Okay, so this was the second job opportunity for the experienced candidate. Now one more thing is here. Okay, before moving on to this third job opportunity, if you are first time go to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and help me to reach the 3K guys, as because I am very fresher to the YouTube. I'm requesting everyone, please motivate me to bring the content daily. Okay, if you want all the job opening links of the Red Hat company, you can just send me an invitation at Vishwa Karkale Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. Okay, you can just need to send an invitation and you can just message me like this, guys. Okay, look at this. If you just message me AWS jobs or a Red Hat, if you just mention the Red Hat job links, I'm completely going to send you all the links completely free without taking single money. I'm telling you, I'm not going to take any money. I'm going to send you all the links of Red Hats completely free. Okay, you just need to send a message. Okay, so that was a thing. Third one is also from the Red Hat company only. Here the position is they are hiring is Senior Software Quality Engineer and the location is Pune. And as you can see, this is exclusive new job which I have bought for you guys. Okay, so we'll read about what you will bring. You should be having degree that mainly in the IT or in the computer science background. If you are having 5 years of experience or 5+ years of experience, and you should be very good at least one programming languages. It may be the Python, or it may be the Java, or it may be the JavaScript, your choice. And you should be very good at expertise in user interference, okay, interface test automation using Selenium or any other open source tool. Here they have mentioned that you should be very good at you should be very good in UI test automation by using the Selenium. Okay. The next is you should be very good at API. Look at this. Expertise in API, HTTP communication, performance testing of web application. You should be good at these also. Experience with testing web-based application, preferably through REST API. You should be able to test the web-based application, that too mainly by using the REST API. And you should be very good at GitLab and other collaborative code forges. And you should be having excellent written as well as verbal communication. And you should know about the CI/CD pipelines as well as the Git. And good to have is shell scripting knowledge. You should be knowing shell scripting. It may be Python, Bash, Ruby, your choice. Passion for open source technologies. You should be having a very good interest towards the open source technologies. Okay. So these are the things which they have mentioned for the 5+ years of experience candidate. So if you want to apply for the job openings, just click on this apply now section, okay, and you can apply to the job openings. So this was the third job opportunity from the Red Hat company. Now the fourth one, okay, the fourth one is also from the Red Hat only. The position name is Principal Software Maintenance Engineer. Okay, the position name is Principal Software Engineer. The location is Pune. The category, look at this, software engineering position. You will be called as a software engineering only. And look at the when they have updated, it's just 2 weeks before they have updated this job role. We'll directly read into the what will bring section. Outstanding debugging, troubleshooting, analytical skills. This is also same, guys. So you should be having experience. You should be very good at debugging, troubleshooting, and you should have at least 6+ years of experience in the IT industry or in the quality engineering. And bachelor's degree in computer science related engineering field, relevant professional experience. You should be having degree. That is very important. Next is experience leading engineers in collaboration to solve complex problems. You should be having experience, okay. You should be very good at handling the teams, or you should be very good at handling the problems. That is important. Next is you should be having a script in a you should be having knowledge on the scripting languages. It may be the Python or a Bash. If you know any one of this also, fine. It's that there is nothing like that. You should know both also. And you should be having the development of software by using the C languages. Okay, C language. Experience committing code at scale on complex source control structures. You should be able to commit the code at a complex sources. Okay, and ability to remain patient. They have mentioned that you should be very calm. And one more thing is very diligent when working on a detailed task. So this is the thing. And here they have mentioned about the common skills. I'm not going to read this. Let's read this here. One more thing is experience with following consider or plus. Okay, if you are good at very Linux kernel building or in the development as well as testing, highly preferred for you guys. This job is, and user spacing, development, testing. If you are mainly from these backgrounds, okay, user space building, development as well as testing. And experience with the software test planning, test case design, test script automation as well as the documentation. You should be having very good hands-on experience, that mainly in the software test planning as well as designing and script automation as well as the documentation. And you should be knowing at least one cloud. It may be AWS cloud or it may be the Azure cloud. It's your choice. Okay, if you know just one cloud, that is fine. And you should be having hands-on experience on the GitLab as well as Git in contributor as well as a maintainer role. And you should be having hands-on experience on the CEV systems and related solution system for. Okay, so these are the things, skills which they have mentioned for the 6+ years of candidate. Okay, if you are having experience, please apply to this job openings. And if you are a fresher, please apply to this job openings. Okay. So one more important thing is, guys, if you're first time go to my channel, please subscribe. As you can see here, most of my subscribers haven't subscribed to my channel only. Only 32% of people are subscribed. Remaining 68% of people haven't subscribed to my channel. Requesting everyone, please subscribe. Okay, and motivate me. These are the job openings for the today's, guys. If you are looking for any other job openings in the upcoming days, please mention me the role in the comment section. I will be happy to bring the more job openings for you daily. Have a good day. All the best for your job. Bye.